Good afternoon. This is Gary Richardson with the American Red Cross in the Southeastern region. Today we will be going over how to get into Edge and the new learning management system from Volunteer Connection. So we're going to start here. This is our login page at volunteerconnection.redcross.org. We're going to go ahead and sign in with our name and password. And from here, in the main page, we're going to be able to get to Edge. As you can see, if you travel up to the top and a little bit right portion of the screen, we can go ahead and click on Connect to Edge. This browser we're using right now is Chrome, and I'm going to show you the differences between Chrome and using Internet Explorer. So now, typically, we're going to want to either have our training here. You can select using Edge as a learner, but if we want to find a different class or a class we've been given a look at, we're going to browse for training. So we can go ahead and click on that. And then typically we're going to use popular classes. So under training, we can click popular. And then under by title, we can also do it by popularity. So that's popular and by popularity. Good classes to go through are shelter fundamentals. We typically want to have this one immediately. Disaster cycle services, disaster assessment fundamentals, etc. So we're going to click on a new one. We'll just travel down to Disaster Client Assistant Fundamentals. So we go ahead and click on that. And it's going to open up our curriculum page. So we can go ahead and select Open Curriculum Player. And since I've already selected it, we could request it, or we can go ahead and launch it. A key issue people have been having is that they get stuck on this loading screen right here. So what you want to look for is this button up in the top right corner. Pop-ups were blocked on this page. We want to go ahead and allow those permissions. We're going to have the same issue on Internet Explorer. We can go ahead and click this one and always allow pop-ups from this website. At this point, we would have to go ahead and reload this screen, and I can do that by just right-clicking and clicking reload. If you went ahead and clicked launch and you've already reloaded your screen and you've already allowed the permissions and you're in Chrome and you have this issue couldn't load plugin, that's one thing we're working on. With some of the new computers, they're having this issue. We're going to go ahead and suggest at that point that you use Internet Explorer. If you don't have Internet Explorer on your start menu, we're going to go ahead and type it in the search bar or the Cortana and say Internet Explorer. That's going to go ahead and bring it up here. At this point, we can go ahead and right click, and here it would say unpin from taskbar because I already have it there. You could say pin to taskbar and it'll become right here, so that we can go ahead and have it there and open it from that area. In Internet Explorer, a key issue that people have is a loading screen. We're going to go ahead and click launch. We've got this loading title, one moment please, and as we see at the bottom, Internet Explorer blocked a pop-up. So we're going to go to options for this site and always allow. Giving those permissions will allow us to continue and fully complete this class using Internet Explorer.